Hi, welcome to our last clue 24 of our Advent Christmas Crochet Along. I hope you've been having fun. I have been having a blast doing this with you. And so last clue we started on the handle, and we were supposed to make the handle as long as we thought would be good. And so I made mine 37 inches, which is about 94.5 centimeters, somewhere around there. And I'm going to sew mine on. You're welcome to slip stitch yours on or crochet yours on, but I'm going to go ahead and sew it. So I already cut a little bit of a tail, and I had the loop pulled through a little bit. I'm going to close that up, and then I'm going to pull the string or the tail through the loop there. I am so sorry if you see all this paint all over me. We're painting one of my son's rooms. Or one of my son's room, and so I'm having trouble getting all of the paint off of me. So I'm going to thread through a yarn or darning needle, and I'm going to take this off. We don't need it anymore. I'm just going to have my bag closed here with this handle on the side, and I'm going to make sure that without this being twisted, you want to make sure that it's not twisted. I'm going to bring it around and I'm going to put this, if you would like to use a stitch marker, you may. I'm not going to, you can count if you want to and try to make it perfectly even, but I think I'm just going to eyeball it, and I'm going to have this laid out here, and I'm going to put this over on the side where I think it looks good. And what I'm going to do is just bring the tail through the stitch and then through the first stitch of the handle. And then I'm going to go into the next stitch, pull it through, and then eventually you're going to go into the space of this if you did the same stitch I did. If you did a different stitch, just go on to the next stitch. And then come through here. And through the next stitch. I think in my case that's a chain space. Probably 2 or 3 more here. Did I go through? Yep. I think I'm going to do 2 more stitches here. One more. And then I'm going to just bring it through the next stitch. And I'm going to weave the ends through a bunch of these stitches so that it gets caught in here and it won't come loose, and you won't lose your handle and you won't lose anything. I'm so happy that you did this Advent crochet along with me, and I hope you're happy with the project. And I hope to see you for more of my videos, and I'll certainly be back next year with a new Advent crochet along for Christmas. Have a great day. Bye.